Available today from Allon White Sports Cars is this unregistered Morgan +4 automatic, and this is obviously the latest CX version of the Morgan +4. This car has a host of extras, including metallic paintwork, biscuit leather interior, got the 15-inch stainless wire wheels, it's got the body coloured seat back panels and the embroidered headrests. It's got the spare wheel, and it presents, as you'd expect from a brand new car, perfectly. The interior's got the biscuit coloured leather and the black carpet combination. It's got the body coloured centre console, and this car enjoys the benefit of the Comfort Plus seats with lumbar adjustment and the embroidered headrests. So there's lots of extras on this car, much to enjoy, and it's available today from Allon White Sports Cars, and full and comprehensive details of the car are on our website.